I got challenged to break a cable bike lock, and I said the chain looked a little easy, so we're gonna find out which is easier, a chain or cable. Go ahead and open these up. So I got two of them. We're gonna see about breaking one with a Raptor before I see about breaking one by hand. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set that one down. See here, 5, 6, 4. 5, 6, 4. All right. This is a working cable bike lock. There. All right. Now let's see about breaking one of these with my Raptor Crush. I've actually got a chain hooked up to my trailer over here. So no, I ain't gonna break the chain. It ain't gonna break the Raptor. So let's see. Ooh, it's a lot tougher. Well, it did break, but not with side pressure. It wasn't the cable broke, it was the lock. So, anyways, I know it's possible to break it. What's the combo in this one? 114. 1, 1, 4. All right. Makes it supple enough. All right. Let's see if breaking it by hand is going to be something I can do. The Raptor worked, just not didn't snap the cable. Let's see. A little more pressure towards the cable side than same ordeal. Cable didn't snap, but that lock is toast. So that's just not the results I expected. But it is a disabled bike lock, so I ain't never gonna work again.